Welcome to Trinad Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about some important plots in chemical kinetics which are useful for MSET, FSET, JEE mains and NEET point of view. We know that for a zero order reaction, what is an expression for the rate constant? K is equal to R naught minus R by T. And we also know that half-life period expression is R naught by 2K, where K is the zero order rate constant, R naught is the initial concentration of reactants, R is the concentration of reactants after time T, and here we know that the expression for the zero order rate constant is K is equal to R naught minus R by T. And for half-life, this is the expression. Now, similarly, we also know that for first order reactions, we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T into log R naught by R, R naught by R, and for half-life, which is equal to 0.693 by K, 0.693 by K. Right here, we can say that half-life period of a zero-order reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants, whereas half-life of a first-order reaction is independent of the concentration of the reactants. Independent of the concentration of the reactants. Now, let me take a zero-order reaction R gives rise to P. Let R naught be the initial concentration of the reactants, R naught be the initial concentration of the reactants, and R be the concentration of the reactants after time t. R be the concentration of reactants after time t. Now, if we write rate expression for this zero order reaction, what is the rate expression for zero order reaction? Rate is equal to K into R naught power. That means rate is independent of the concentration of the reactants. Now, if we plot rate versus concentration of reactants, here for a zero order reaction, rate is independent of the concentration of the reactants. That's why here the plot will be like this, parallel to the x-axis. Rate is independent of the concentration of the reactants. That's why the rate versus concentration of reactant plot is parallel to the x-axis. Suppose the plot of rate versus concentration of reactants is parallel to the x-axis, then what is the order of the reaction? Now order of the reaction is 0. Or they may ask like this, they will give the 4 plots, which of the following plot corresponds to the zero order reaction? The one plot is rate versus concentration of reactant parallel to x-axis. So this is one plot regarding zero order reactions. Now let us look at another plot for zero order. We know that just previously we have seen what is the expression for the rate constant of the zero order reaction? R naught minus R by T. If I rearrange these terms, R naught minus R is equal to KT, and R is equal to what is happening with minus K into T T plus R naught. You see, it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now, if I plot concentration of reactants versus time. Now, what is the slope? This slope is negative slope and a positive intercept, right? Y-intercept. That's why the plot is looks like this. And the slope of the plot corresponds to minus k. The slope of the plot corresponds to the minus k. So this is the another plot regarding zero order reactions. Another plot regarding zero order reaction. So one plot is rate versus type concentration of reactants. This is parallel to the x-axis, which is parallel to the x-axis. Another plot is for zero order reaction is concentration of reactants versus plot time is with a negative slope and y-intercept. With a negative slope and y-intercept. This is the second plot for zero order reaction. Now let us look at another plot for zero order reactions. See here we know that what is an expression for half-life of a zero order reaction for R naught by 2. Right? So it is in the form of just if I arrange 1 by 2k into R. So it is in the form of y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. If I plot like this, what is the now? X-axis is half-life and y-axis is the initial concentration of the reactants. If I plot, now what is happening is it is passing through the horizon. It is passing through the horizon. So this is the third plot regarding the zero order reaction. So half-life versus concentration of reactants. Now let me accumulate all these three plots for zero order reaction. So what is the first plot? Rate versus time. Rate versus time for concentration of reactants, which is parallel to the x-axis. And another one is rate or concentration of reactants versus time. Now this is parallel to the with negative slope and y-intercept, and the slope is equal to minus k. Right? And the third plot is what? Half-life versus concentration of the reactant, which is passing through horizon. So here the question may come like this: which of the following is corresponds to zero order reaction, or which of the following doesn't correspond to the zero order reaction? Right? So these are the three plots regarding zero order reaction. Now let me discuss about the plots regarding first order reactions. Now here also let us assume R gives rise to P is a first order reaction. Is a first order reaction. Is a first order reaction. R gives rise to P is a first order reaction. Now here also let R not be the initial concentration of the reactants. R not be the initial concentration of the reactants, and R be the concentration of the reactants after time. Concentration of the reactants after time. Concentration of the reactants time. And what is the rate expression for first order reaction? Rate is equal to K into R naught. Here R is the concentration of the reactants after time t. See what is the concentration of reactants left after 5 minutes? Suppose I have started a reaction at 10:20. Now what is the concentration of reactants after 10:30? After 10 minutes. That is the R. Now it is in the form of y is equal to mx. Now if I plot rate versus concentration of reactants. Rate versus concentration of reactants. It is passing through the horizon. It is passing through the horizon. It is passing through the horizon. So this is the one plot. You see, let me compare for zero order reaction. This is for first order reaction. What is the same plot for rate versus concentration of reactants for zero order reaction? This is parallel to the x-axis. This is for zero order reaction, and whereas this is for the first order reactions. This is for first order reactions. So this is the one plot regarding first order reaction, rate versus concentration of reactants is passing through origin with a slope k. With a slope k. K is the rate constant. Now the second plot. We know that what is the rate constant expression for first order reaction? K is equal to 2.303 by 3 into log R naught by R naught by R. Now let me rearrange the terms here. What will happen? Log R naught by R is equal to KT by 2.303. Now if I rewrite this, log A by B is log A minus log B is equal to KT by 2.303. Then here, if I rearrange the terms, log R is equal to minus K by 2.303 into 3 into log R. Now it is in which form? Y is equal to mx plus c. You see now what I have to plot? I have to plot log concentration of reactants versus time. Now, what is the how plot should be plot appears? It is with a negative slope, and intercept, y-intercept. The slope corresponds to b. Slope is equal to minus k by 2.3. The same plot I can plot for ln versus ln r naught, r versus time. If I plot the plane and the slope corresponds to b minus k. You see, we know that ln is equal to 2.303 into log base 10. Log base 10. So this is the another plot regarding first order reaction. So there is a one more plot for first order reactions. That is, if we take, we know that what is the expression for half-life of a zero order reaction? Half-life is equal to 0.693 by k. You see here, let me assume 1 and 0.693 by k into r naught power 0. R naught power 0. Now, if I plot, what is the half-life is? Half-life is independent of the concentration of the reactants. That means if I plot half-life versus y is equal to mx, half-life versus concentration of reactants. See the plot appears like this. This is for first order reactions. Right? So these 6 plots are important in objective point of view for MSET or FSET or NEET and JEE. Let me just compare for zero order reactions and for first order reactions the plots. Once let me compare the plots. Here for zero order reactions, if you take what is the plot? Rate versus concentration of the reactants. Our rate is like this. What about the same plot for first order reaction? The same plot is, if we take rate versus concentration of the reactants, the plot is passing through points. Now what about second plot? Concentration of reactants versus time. The plot is for here for zero order reaction, whereas for first order reaction, if you take, the plot is log concentration of the reactant versus time. The plot is like this. Now let me discuss the third plot. Half-life versus concentration of reactants. The plot is like this. You see, for zero order reaction, half-life increases with increase in the concentration of reactant. Whereas the same plot, half-life versus concentration of reactants, parallel to the x-axis. Because half-life of a first order reaction is independent of the concentration of the reactant. So now these are the 6 plots which are important for competitive exams such as NEET or JEE Mains or MSET or FSET.